Welcome. Today we're going to dive into the exciting world of free website creation. Whether you want to start a blog, showcase a portfolio, or create an online store, building a website has never been easier. The first step is to choose the right website builder for you. Popular options include Wix, WordPress, and Weebly. Each has its strengths, so consider what features matter most for your project. Next, set up your account. Simply enter your email address, create a password, and you're ready to start building your website. Once your account is set, it's time to choose a template or theme. These pre-designed layouts can save you time and help guide your design choices. Now comes the fun part, customizing your website. You can add text, images, and other elements to make the site truly yours. Play around with colors and layouts to match your style. Be sure to add essential pages such as home, about, and contact. Great content will engage your visitors and keep them returning for more. Don't forget to optimize your website for mobile devices. A responsive design ensures your site looks great on smartphones and tablets. Once you're satisfied with your website, it's time to publish. Click that Publish button and let the world see your creation. Lastly, promote your website. Share it on social media, use SEO strategies, and consider email newsletters to reach your audience effectively. Congratulations on creating your free website. Now, keep updating the content and exploring new ways to improve your online presence. Happy building!